Greetings, everyone. Welcome back to Wonderful Relationship, where we unravel the mysteries of human connections. Today, we're delving into a topic that many of you have been curious about: how to tell if someone genuinely likes you. Before we dive into these intriguing signs, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our insightful content. Now, let's explore the subtle but powerful signs that reveal when someone is truly into you. Segment 1. The eyes speak louder. When someone really likes you, their eyes tend to linger on you longer than usual. Prolonged eye contact is a powerful indicator of genuine interest. Their gaze might also include subtle mirroring, reflecting a connection that goes beyond words. Pay attention to those lingering glances, they often convey more than words ever could. Segment 2. Genuine smiles. A person who likes you will exhibit smiles that reach their eyes. These smiles are warm, sincere, and often accompanied by a subtle softening of their gaze. Pay attention to the way their face lights up when they see you or when your eyes meet. Genuine smiles are a universal language of affection, and when you spot them, it's a clear sign of someone's positive feelings towards you. Segment 3. Initiating contact. When someone is genuinely interested, they'll find reasons to initiate contact, even if it's just a light touch on the arm or a friendly hug. This physical closeness creates a sense of intimacy and comfort. Keep an eye out for those moments of subtle contact. They often reveal a person's desire to be physically close to you. Segment 4. Active listening. Now, let's explore sign 4, active listening. When someone likes you, they'll hang on to your every word. They'll engage in the conversation, ask follow-up questions, and genuinely care about what you're saying. This level of attentiveness is a clear indication that you hold a special place in their thoughts. If you find them remembering details from your conversations, it's a sign that you're on their mind. Segment 5. Going the extra mile. Whether it's helping you with a task, surprising you with small gestures, or making an effort to be present in your life, someone who really likes you will go above and beyond. They want to make you happy and showcase their affection through thoughtful actions. Pay attention to these little acts of kindness, they often speak volumes about someone's feelings. Segment 6. Mirroring behavior. When someone is genuinely interested, they may subconsciously mirror your gestures, posture, or even your expressions. Mirroring is a subconscious way of building rapport and creating a sense of connection. It's a nonverbal sign that the person is attuned to your presence and wants to establish a deeper bond. Segment 7. Prioritizing your presence. If someone likes you, they'll prioritize your presence in their life. You'll notice that they make time for you, show up when you need support, and genuinely enjoy spending time with you. This prioritization is a strong indicator that you hold a significant place in their heart. And there you have it, 7 signs that someone truly likes you. If you've experienced these signs in your interactions, it's likely that you're sharing a connection that goes beyond the surface. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more relationship tips. It's been a pleasure decoding the subtle language of affection with you. Until next time, may your connections be as genuine as the signs we've explored today. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content. Your support means everything to us. Stay tuned, and see you soon.